Howdy, and welcome back to Attacks and Shaves. We have another product spotlight from the Cajun Blade this time. Eric sent this one to me, ATCHAFALAYA. And this one is fantastic, guys. I know I say that a lot, but boy, this one blew me away the second I got it in and smelled it. Oh, that is so good. Now, this will be available this Friday, December 12th, so do not miss out on it. But let me go ahead and go down the scent notes. We have top notes of wild blackberry and cypress needle, and that blackberry is incredible. I am a huge, huge fan of anything with blackberry in it almost. Heart notes of Palo Santo wood, smoky patchouli, swamp cedar bark. Base notes of aged oud, amber, and cypress resin, dark earth, white musk, swamp earth, and wet soil. A deep Louisiana swamp fragrance, earthy, woody, atmospheric, and unmistakably southern. And you are absolutely correct, Eric. Oh man, that is so good. Jeez, I cannot wait. I've had this for a while, but I've been waiting to put the shave off until it was closer to his release date. He sent me, he knows I like the 2-ounce sample size, so he sent me the 2-ounce and the little cute little after sauce there. This is the V2 after sauce that is incredible. You can tell the difference because it's a milkier consistency. Man, the skin feels ridiculous on this stuff. All right, for the hardware, I have to, of course, I always catch flack when I don't use a straight razor whenever I'm reviewing Eric's stuff. So I'm going to be using my Boker. This is the Elite Carbon. Really enjoy using this razor. Love it a lot for a modern straight. It's one of my favorites. This was a gift from Philip Sharp at Sharp Shaver. Thank you again. I'll say it every time I use it. Thank you, Philip. And for the brush, I've got it soaking here in my mug. Shake some of that out. This is from Moon Soap Company. And there's the coin there. And this was, I believe this was called Moon of Endor from Star Wars. Beautiful, beautiful burl and emerald pour there. And I thought it went quite well with that label. So that's the one I'm using. It's a, I believe I have set in as a 26 millimeter SHD from Maggard's Badger Hair. So let's get this brush loaded, and we're going to get this shave going. So let me shake some of that water out, and I'm going to load this brush up. Eric also prefers the smaller tubs. He and I are of the same mindset that 2 ounces is plenty of soap. At least for me it is. I have no problem. I wish there were more artisans out there that only offered up 2 ounces. Like for Sterling, I'll end up buying 2 1-ounce of their samples and put it in my own little container. I would never kill a 5-ounce tub from Sterling. I do have quite a few of them, but they will never die. Alright. Rinsing out that tub. There we go. Get that set aside. All right, let's get the glasses off and the face wet. I'm gonna move this mug out of the way too. All right. Beautiful. I already have a generous amount of lather on there. Look at that. Still plenty thick enough for me to work it in on the face. Oh, that fragrance, jeez. This one, oh, this one is going to be a crowd. You know, no, it's better than a crowd, please. You know, cover your kids' ears. This one is going to be a panty dropper. I swear, this one is so good. This is in the F1 Brayford base, which is freaking incredible. It was a noticeable difference from his other base. He didn't even tell me he had made the change when he sent me that one. Now, it was on the label, but I didn't realize how much of a difference it was going to be between. Now, his original was so good already, but this is just crazy good. more water. Beautiful. It's a perfect lather. All right, get my hands dried. Yeah, let's get this shave going. Man, let me go over these notes again. Wild blackberry, cypress needle, palo santo, smoky patchouli, swamp cedar bark, aged oud, amber and cypress resin, dark earth, white musk, swamp earth, and wet soil. Man, who knew? This is so good. Beautiful. Wonderful. Excellent product for straight shaving. Okay, haven't done this with a straight before. I did it with a shavette, but man, I don't know. See what we can do. Okay. Not the easiest. I'll get used to it. Don't even know if that's the right angle of attack, but worked for me. Try not to slice my lip off there. Worked though. Oh, yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. You know what? I don't know if I should, yeah. I feel like I'm having trouble getting through that thicker hair there on my chin. It's going to take little baby steps. Yeah, I haven't quite figured that out. I feel like I'm about to slice that off like a piece of bologna. Alright, well, I will clean that up in the morning. Let's go for the second pass. Man, this smells good. Cannot wait to get to the splash. All right. See if I can remember how to do this. Been a while. Woo. Look down at your blade when you're trying to grab it, Barry. That wasn't good. I didn't get myself, but could have. Probably should have. I think I got myself right up there. Yep, I sure did. Same place I got myself that shave at. Alright. Alright, gonna get a rinse. I'm gonna clean this up tomorrow with a regular razor. Come back up for a rinse and the splash, and my final thoughts. Be right back. Alright. Somebody's trying to call me on Instagram. I forgot to silence my other phone. You got to wait. That was a great shave. I've got to practice this more where I can take my time, and otherwise we'd be here for a 45-minute video or more. So I'm going to practice that some more while this is off, which is really the only reason why I haven't started growing it back yet, because I do want to practice that. So, all right, let's get the splash going. Jeez, cannot wait for this. ATCHAFALAYA from the Cajun Blade, again, comes out this Friday, the 12th. Boy, you had that on there tight, Eric. Oh, yes. I am going to have to get the EDP of this one. Hopefully he has it. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so good. Ooh. Eric, this fragrance is singing my song, sir. Oh, that amber and oud. Oh, geez, so beautiful. Man, I want to get to that musk in the wet soil, but the blackberry is not as heavy in this as it is in the soap, at least not to my nose right now. Also have his signature menthol kicking in right now. It's just a little light kick, refreshing. Nothing crazy, you know, like that Parasso strength, maybe a hair more. Oh man, the patchouli, a little bit of smoke. Man, that is so good. Guys, this one, and my daughter rated this one quite high also. I would say this one, the ladies are gonna like. The ladies are gonna like, guys. Your special someone, your significant other. This is one to surprise them with. Don't let them smell it until you use it, and then just surprise them with it. This one's amazing. Outstanding job, Eric. Again, the Cajun Blade ATCHAFALAYA releases this Friday, December 12th. Yeah, December 12th. Not sure exactly what time. Probably around 9 a.m., 10 a.m. Central. Not 100% sure. Don't miss out on this one, guys. Tell them that a Texan Shave sent you. All right. That's all I got. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on the Texan Shaves. Goodbye.